Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Actually, the lighting is pretty cool right now. I mean, the lighting because it's sometimes if it's really sunny, you don't really get a chance to see it quite like this. But this is a circle that's next to Kyungwoo Hospital, which is behind us. There's Kyungwoo. And then there's McDonald's, which is in a pretty cool building. I have taken a camera and walked around a little bit not up to there, but that is pretty cool too. We saw some ways to get in there. But I'm kind of interested in this really cool looking building right here. So what is this, like 7, 8 stories, you know, and then like way up the top you got all these gates, and I can zoom in with this camera and just kind of take a look. But yeah, so basically you can, they'll put stuff there, like, I guess those are like flowers. But yeah, there's like rows and rows and just all these gates that just go all the way down, you know, just. But this is kind of circular a little bit, so there's a Honolulu Cafe right there. I'm going to zoom in on that. And those are always really cool too, really like that. 1950, wow. A lot of Macau places have these kind of windows too. People are studying. And then this one is another one that's also kind of, you know, concave, you know, facing in. So it's also kind of interesting too, right? And then you got another one over here, and you got another one here. And so this is kind of like concave. This one is kind of angled towards this. This is concave. This little spot is somewhat concave. And then this one is like a whole other circular pattern. Like that circular pattern kind of matches the circular pattern in the middle. Yeah. And then you got this kind of circular pattern here. So I don't know, kind of interesting. But I thought I'd kind of share some interesting parts about Macau. If you have any questions about Macau, just kind of let me know. If you have a space that you want me to film, or maybe you're curious about, you know, whatever it is, just let me know and I'll go down and film it. It'd be really interesting for me to do. Okay, I'm just going to add a little bit more. This is where I was just at, and there's that circular. But the reason I'm going to film this one too is that, for one, you can see this kind of building and how cool it is. But then I like the street too. So this street is a lot like that other building, where you have all these kind of cool looking apartments everywhere, right? So I'm going to just kind of zoom in on some of these. And look how cool that is. Like you got this balcony with, I guess those are potted flowers, and they kind of go all the way up. Oh. But yeah, they go up and up. And you kind of got these interesting things all the way along. And actually, all the apartment buildings are kind of funky like that, right? Just zoom in. This camera's a good zoom in camera anyway, so it's better if I take pictures. We'll zoom in better. But yeah, just look at those canyons of walls like that, and just apartments and wires. Pretty cool. So I'm going to zoom back out, and then you can kind of see. But there's a lot of buildings that kind of take up a block that are like that. They just kind of clump down, and I don't know, for some reason I really like them. I just think they're kind of aesthetically cool. But I know a lot of people who might not like them as well. So anyways, I think I'm going to conclude this one right here. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. It has like black, red and white up there, and okay. I don't know, this is just kind of cool. I just saw this thing. But actually this is just more of these apartment buildings that are kind of different. Yeah, look how interesting those things are. You know, just a lot of apartments that look like that. And then you have all these kind of stuff too. So you know, we're just basically walking down that street and then just filming at different angles, different vantage points. So okay.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.